Sajid from Nailah's Word Bazaar. Today, 10th May, is a very special day. It is Mother's Day. Today's word is dedicated to all mothers around the world. Today's word is sedulous. 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 The definition of sedulous is showing dedication and hard work. This word is derived from the mid-16th century from the Latin word sedulus. Someone who is diligent, hardworking and persistent is known as sedulous. An example of a sentence with the word sedulous is, I wish all the sedulous mothers around the world a very happy Mother's Day. Some of the synonyms of sedulous are meticulous, attentive, diligent, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.